Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do the scrolling I love you trend. So if that is something you are interested in, stick around. So the first thing you actually want to do is to launch Chrome and you're going to search for scrolling text. So now you're going to click on the first link that pops up, and once you've done that you'll be greeted with this interface right here. So this is pretty much what it's supposed to look like. So now you're going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to erase the current text and type I love you within the box. So this can be done in all caps, all commas. It's pretty much up to you and what you want to do. So once you're satisfied, you'd click on again I say, and this is what it's supposed to look like. So if you want to use this text in another place, you could simply scroll down to the bottom and copy the text. So that's pretty much the end of the tutorial. If you enjoyed this video or you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you so much for watching.